Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Moonpay. First of all, you have to open the Moonpay app or website. This one, you can see this option, this link. Let me show it to you more clearly. This is www.moonpay.com. You have to visit this website. You can visit this website using any browser like Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, and also Opera Mini, etc. Just go and paste this link here. So now you have to go and tap on to get started, and it will redirect you to the buy section. Here you can buy, like on the main dashboard you can see this option called buy button. Tap onto this, choose your crypto. Now you have to choose your crypto, like the cryptocurrency you want to buy. For example, I'm gonna choose like USDT or BTC. Okay, I'm gonna choose BTC. Okay, now you have to choose your preferred money, like amount. You have to enter the amount you want to continue with. I'll go with 100. Okay, now I have to you have to tap on to continue. You have to enter your email address. You can also go with your Apple ID, also Google ID. For now, for this video, I'm gonna show you with my Google ID. So you have to tap onto it and then tap onto your email account, then tap continue. So after then you will be redirected here. You have to tap the sign icon to the both of them and then tap on to continue. Now after adding all the information, your payment method, now you have to finalize the purchase. Like after entering your payment info, you have to tap on to get started, then tap on to continue, choosing your country. You have to choose your country. For example, I'm going to choose United States of America, then tap on to continue. And that's it, your crypto will be added to the Moonpay wallet shortly after adding this information. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.